for 100% trust and performance in all conditions. JAMAK. JMS Machinery was established in 1978 to manufacture rim and rim machines in ESKİŞEHİR industrial zone under the name of JAMAK. The activities of the company is continuing on the 28,000 square meters of area where 10,000 square meters of it is closed. Behind JMS's success is the enthusiastic effort of our productive employees, dedicated to constant improvement, where all manufacturing stages, from raw material to final product, is operated precisely. The employees' individual personality, teamwork, and exquisite harmony are reflected as high-quality products and services, which also creates peace of mind for customers and environment by cooperating with our company. JMS produces all kinds of industrial, commercial, agricultural, military, and special application wheels, and also runs flat wheels which enable the vehicle to continue to be driven when the tire is punctured. We are committed to customer satisfaction by providing quality products on time, which is achieved by continuous upgrading manufacturing technology and skills, development of human resources, and development of overall system as per international standards. It is important for us to develop long-term partnerships with our customers based on a win-win philosophy, so the company is growing even more in each passing year. JMS is the first choice of the manufacturers of industrial machines and port equipment in the world. JMS Machinery Industry and Trading Company is using the flow-forming technology for over 30 years to produce wheels for industrial vehicle manufacturers under the brand name of JAMAK and JMS. In the tire manufacturers' catalogs, JMS can be found as the recommended trademark. Also, JMS is the first and the only company in the world which produces 25-inch seamless rims for construction equipment using the flow-forming technology. Flow forming is one of the most advanced manufacturing technologies to enter the wheel industry. Flow forming technology involves the application of pressure to the rim base while turning. This process stretches and compresses the material, which increases tensile strength. In this respect, the process shares similar properties to those found in the forging process. The final product is lighter, stronger, has increased elongation, and a much greater shock resistance, as well as an increased load capacity over regular wheels. Our manufacturing and quality system is awarded by ISO 9001 Quality Management Certificate and ISO TS 16949 Certificate. Each year, the certificates are renewed with audits carried out by TÜV Nord. Also, products are tested regularly according to the standards of EUWA, SAE at the in-house test laboratory and also at independent laboratories. Implementing lean manufacturing techniques give us the opportunity to satisfy our customers with shorter delivery time and also minimizes errors and to win a flexible production structure which enables us to respond to many diverse customer demands. The flexible production lines of JMS are supported by the application of robots. Today, production capacity has reached to 250,000 units and 90% of it is exported to more than 80 countries on 7 continents, in Europe and America in particular. JMS is aiming to improve its production quality and capacity day by day through investing in technology and human resources. Trust and long-term relations with our customers are key assets for JAMAK.